Hey guys, I just finished loading your final project into the Blackboard portion of this course. So you would want to log in to Blackboard, go to this course, and locate the Final Project tab on the left-hand menu. When you do, you'll see several options in this tab. The very first thing you would want to do is download this document, Final Project 4, Performing a Statistical Study. That document is going to give you all the information necessary, all the details necessary for completing this project. Once you read that, then when it comes time, when you need to create your presentation and upload your document and your presentations, these documents here will give you explicit instructions on how to share your final presentation in the discussion board, how to upload your presentation so I can grade it, and how to upload your project documents so again, I can grade it. All the dates are here, when each part is due, so you can see those dates. The dates are also listed on this document, the final project document. What you'll see below this particular tab is where you're going to upload your document. So your completed document, you will upload it here. When you've completed your presentation, you will upload your presentation here. That's due May 9th. Your document is due May 6th. And you'll also have to upload your presentation to the discussion board so your classmates can view and comment on your presentations. For now, I suggest that you go to this tab, Final Project, and that you download this document on well, I can't think right now. It gives you all the information on completing the project. How about we take a look at that for a second? Here is what you're going to be doing for this project. You're going to conduct a statistical study and collect data. Once you collect that data, you'll use methods from Chapter 5 and Chapter 6 to analyze and summarize that data, create graphs, and then from that, you'll create a presentation. The main thing you need to be thinking of right now is what's going to be the question that you want to ask in your survey. So you're going to conduct a survey where you're collecting quantitative data. So you need to pick a question that when you pose it to people, the results or the responses from the people you will be polling will be numerical in nature. That's what we mean by quantitative data. If you're not sure if your statistical question results in quantitative data, just check with me and I can help you with that. Send me a quick email and say, hey, what do you think about this question? So you're going to do some polling, a survey of at least 50 people. And here are some examples of some questions you might ask. How old were you when you first moved out on your own? That gives me quantitative data. Or how many miles do you commute to school or work every day or every week, something like that. That gives me numerical data. How many times a week do you eat fast food? Numerical data. How many credit hours are you taking this semester? Again, these types of questions result in numerical data. So be thinking about the question you're going to want to use for your final project. And don't wait till it's too late. I suggest getting started on this relatively soon. Once you've got your data, you've collected your data, you are going to start your project off with a paragraph that states these items, particularly you need to hit all these items in your introductory paragraph. You're going to create, okay, there we go with that error. Sorry. You're going to create a frequency table, and you'll see how to do that in section 5C note sheet in the video. Then you'll create a graphic like a histogram or a line chart. That's covered in chapter 5 and 6. Then you'll find some values, mean, median, mode, range, standard deviation, stuff from chapter 5 and 6. And I'm going to allow you to use an online statistical calculator that will automatically calculate those values for you. All you have to do is type in your data. Also, to create your graphics, I've given you a website to go to. You can create really neat graphics from that site. So you're going to analyze your data by calculating those values. You're going to determine the 5-number summary using this website, and it'll also create a box and whisker plot for you. And then you're going to write a paragraph concluding what you found. That all has to be included in your project document for me. Then you're going to create a presentation, and you're going to have to comment on at least 3 presentations in the discussion board. So that gives you information about the document you need to create. Then I have some presentation guidelines for you to follow. And then here I have examples on how those online resources will work. How the calculator will work to get your mean, median, and mode, all those values. How this online calculator will work to get your box and whisker plot. And then how you can use the ChartGo website to create graphics. Well, this was a very quick introduction on how to access the final project and what is involved in the final project. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope to see you soon at one of our Zoom meetings. Goodbye.